Happy 18th birthday and more years to come.
Thank you, Nay. Ini ang pagganto ba? Dry tutoy lagi.
Birthday mamay. Happy 80th birthday, Mommy. Today we celebrate not just your 80 wonderful years, but your beautiful life. Love you. And the love you have given so selflessly to all of us. You are truly the heart of our family, the one who holds us together with your kindness, strength, and endless care. Thank you for every story you shared, every lesson you taught, and every prayer you whispered for us. Your wisdom guides us, and your love comforts us in ways words cannot fully explain. We are especially grateful to you for taking care of our parents, for raising them with patience, guiding them with wisdom, and sacrificing so much so they could have a better future. Because of your love and hard work, they become the amazing parents they have today. Everything we enjoy as a family began with you. I also want to thank you for coming to see me when I was just a newly born, fresh from out of my mother's womb. Even though you were busy and had many responsibilities, you still made the time to visit me. That simple act shows me how you already loved me from the start. I may not remember that moment, but knowing you were there meant so much to me. Mommy, your life is a blessing to all of us. May God continue to grant you good health, peace, and many more years surrounded by your family who loves you.
Sa 14, pagkadungan na, Domingo. Kumuhan dito sa Cebu, pagka-Domingo, ulit. Sinama na,
Happy birthday, Mama. Wishing you a beautiful love, laughter, and memories to share. You're an inspiration to us. May your day be as bright as the sun, and your future as full of joy as your past. Happy birthday. Happy 80th birthday, Ma. Thank you so much for the love, care, and joy that you give to the family. And we wish you a good health and more than this love. Happy birthday, Ma. Ay, happy 80th birthday din. Thank you sa tanan nga imong sacrifice na mo kanang
ito mo na.
kanang
Alam sa kayo ko?
we love you din. Love you. Thank you sa sacrifice sa
Tanong ka ba? Oo, ulit na ko.
Dagan pa ng mga birthdays ko sa amin.
Uban ka te? Ha? Ako sa kayo ka?
Sa tayo po.
Yun dyan eh. Ha? Ano ko? Ano ka? Hindi na nga.
Happy birthday mo kasi no. Happy birthday na lang. Happy birthday.
So, karon, mama, mama mo ka na kasunod mong message, mong gratitude speech. Before that, ma, happy birthday, ma.
Tuto po.
Happy birthday.